Welcome everyone. Presenting to you all a new chopper in town, Harshanak. Well, as you can see here, it's very difficult to chop a fully grown tree with an axe. Yes, so like in a hard cutter. Ideally, a chopper should pierce the hard nucleus easily, like a butter knife through a butter, and give a good amount of lateral traction so that the posterior plate is separated. Various choppers are available in the market like Nagaharas, Minardi, Disdale, Siebel's, Claw, Chang, etc. But the most commonly used among all these is the Nagara chopper, which looks something like this. It has an inner cutting edge with a blunt tip. It's a long horizontal chopper. Most of us also use a long diagonal chopper with the inner cutting edge, which is sharp, pierces the nucleus easily. So let's see what are the difficulties with these choppers. Here I am using a Nagara chopper. I am piercing the substance of the hard cataract. Since there is a very little space between the nucleus and the capsule, it becomes very difficult to go to the equator and crack the posterior capsule. So there is an incomplete crack. So I rotate the nucleus and try from the other side. Here I get success to some extent, but here also the posterior plate is not cracked. So what happens if the posterior plate is not cracked? You may eat one or two small pieces, but the whole nucleus comes out of the bag like this. Yes, so there are high chances of damage to the endothelium if the posterior plate is not cracked. Let's see one more case. Here I am using a sharp diagonal chopper. Since it doesn't pierce the nucleus, it gives undue lower pressure on the nucleus, so there can be a nucleus drop. So it would be best if you have an instrument like this, an electric saw, which cuts the trees within seconds. So based on this idea, I took a long diagonal Chang's chopper of around 2 to 2.5 mm also you can use, and bent the tip of around 0.3 to 0.5 mm slightly towards the left side in the form of a sickle. So the sharpness of the chopper is also not lost, whereas you get a good lateral bend of the chopper. This is something how it looks like under the microscope. This is how it looks under the microscope. This is a titanium Harshanak chopper. So let's see how it works. Well, this is a grade 4 nucleus. I am embedding the phaco probe into the substance of the nucleus. Diagonally I pierce the nucleus. See how easily it pierces and gives a lateral suppression. This is grade 4 to grade 5 nucleus. I am embedding the substance of the nucleus with the Harshanak chopper and see how easily it cracks within a single crack. Yes, so the posterior plate is separated here. You can see the red glow there. So I rotate the nucleus 180 degrees, repeat the same procedure onto the other side. See how nicely it separates. The posterior plate is fully separated. I divide these two big hard cataract nuclei into 4 quadrants. See again, you can see the red glow when you do the lateral separation. This amount of lateral separation you don't get with the normal straight chopper. Because of the lateral bend, you are getting this amount of lateral separation. So in hard cataracts, you can divide the nucleus into 8 or 12 small pieces. See, this is sub chopping of the. See, you can see this is total hard black cataract, grade 5 nucleus sclerosis. I embodied the phaco probe. See with the Harshanak chopper, what a good amount of lateral traction you get. You can see the red glow there. So nicely the pieces are separated. Similarly, I repeat the procedure onto the other side. Since once the posterior plate is cracked, then the case becomes very easy. I divide the nucleus, as I said, into 4 big parts, then subdivide it into 8 parts, and during emulsification you can again sub chop it into multiple. There is no patency, no legal issues. Yes, it's not a chopper, it's an emotion. Thank you.